Hello, my name is Dr. Kramer. Welcome to NHAUR channel. Today I'm talking about change. A lot of us today have a lot going on in our lives. A lot of us are being displaced from our jobs or circumstances of life. Some things can happen in an instant and can change your life forever. In our current situation, sadly, his late sister left us with a very bad tax issue. She didn't pay her taxes for decades, and a lot of people said it's not our issue. Unfortunately, if your next of kin passes away and they haven't filed or paid taxes for years, you're going to be responsible for it. If they have an estate, you will be responsible. It's sad, but it is the way the world is, and that's called change of life. So, how do we embrace change? Sometimes change is very painful. Like when I lost my mom in 2017, that was the hardest time of my life. She was amazing mother. I couldn't ask for a better mom. I missed her every day. And a year later, her service dog passed away on the 25th on a Thursday in October. The same time, but a different date and a different year, but in the same month. So next month is going to be a very heavy month for me. But, I know they're with me in spirit, but I still miss them every day. And with all the changes that's been going on in my life, you just have to take a step back and just breathe, take deep breaths and say, it's going to be okay. At the moment, it doesn't seem okay because things happen that are just out of our control. And we just have to stay in a state of gratitude, just be in gratitude that our heart is still beating, that we have another day to make this world a better place and to leave it better than where we left it. And to leave a legacy of a footprint. And that's why I created this NHAUR channel, and in hopes that you join my patrons so I can create NHAUR to be hopefully maybe a nonprofit organization where we all like-minded individuals can help with existential problems like homelessness. People are losing their jobs, and none of us are immune to not becoming homeless. All of us can happen. We're one paycheck away, or a major tragedy happens. Even though you are financially sound, something happens in an instant, and it'll change your world forever. So today, this video was talking about change, and it's just like the river, our nature is always changing. It's never the same. Yes, we have fall, winter, spring, and fall, but everything changes in time. You've noticed that some of our hurricanes have gotten a little stronger. It's just the change of our times and the way the people are today. So I'm hoping that this video will help you to overcome difficulties in life, because life is just so full of obstacles, especially now that we're working multiple jobs or we are working homeless. And a lot of people say, well, what is working homeless? Working homeless is where a lot of people are living in their cars, and they're just going from one place to another because they can't afford housing. And that's another issue, is affordable housing. So this particular video is not about that. It just talks about change. How do we handle when we have one moment we have a home, the next moment we don't have a home, the next moment we have a storm that comes and destroys our property? It gives us a chance to change. As they say, tabula rasa means a clean slate. So it gives us a clean slate to start over again and make it better and stronger, and make us stronger, better people, to be kind and humble in spite of all of the catastrophe that has happened in your life and a lot of changes. Embrace the change. It is hard, like when I lost my mom and them, it was horrible. And I still miss her. And I very private individual, but I'm hoping that this video will resonate and help you whatever is going through in your life, and that change is something that it happens every day. We're changing. When we go to sleep at night, our cells and everything is changing. We're getting older, we're getting wiser, and our technology is advancing every day. So it's making everything different. Our jobs, the way we think, the way we do. If you see our world today, everybody is on the computer. Per se, it is a computer. And in time, there are chips that people have in order for them to speak, and the list goes on. But I embrace change. Sometimes change doesn't feel good, but that's called growing pains. And it's not an easy thing. It can go from a death that's a major tragedy, or you have a car accident and you're not able to walk anymore. So you have to find ways to be able to walk again through prosthetics or maybe with nanoparticles, nano things. And that's why my company, I'm hoping it'll become someday. I would love if everyone can join my Patreon, and I want everyone to be a part of this because it's not about me. It's about leaving a legacy when I'm not here anymore, and that I leave a footprint in the sand, per se, that I left it in a better place, and that there's generations after generations doing something good for this world instead of hating and hurting each other. I'm going to conclude this video by saying change is something that is a process of the flow of a river. It always goes and comes. The trees rise and the leaves fall. The leaves bloom, and it's a brand new day. So love each other. I love you guys very much. If you're going through a crisis, there's a hotline. You can reach out to me, reach out to your loved ones. If you're going through something, you're not alone. You are so loved. You are so beautiful inside and out. I can't wait to see you guys soon. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. And thank you very much, and have a great day. Goodbye.